Let's go ahead and turn on your iPhone that can't turn on. Sounds weird, but we're going to try to make that happen in this video. So the first thing you want to do is try to reboot it. Even though it's off, you can still reboot it. So to do that, we press volume up, volume down, and hold the side button, and do those very quickly in succession. So volume up, volume down, hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Just wait for it. For me, it appeared, and now my phone is turning on. If it did not appear for you, the next thing you want to try is plugging in your phone. Just plug it in to a charging cord that you know is powered up and you know is working. Plug that in. And if you have it plugged in for a while and there's still no joy, next step is unplugging it, grabbing a paper clip and extending the pokey part of it and cleaning the inside of this port. Sometimes dust builds up. I've had a lot of gunk come out of here over the years. Just clean that out. Make sure that it's really clean. And then you can blow it out as well. Look at that big chunk of dust right there. You can blow it out as well. Just blow on it or get air in a can. Whatever it's called. Pressurized air in a can. And you can spray it out with the air. That will allow for this connection with your charger to be more powerful. That will make sure that all the little nodes on your charger, you probably have a newer charger than I do, probably have a newer phone. That will make sure when you plug your phone in that there's a good connection between the metal components of the plug. If there isn't a good connection, then the charging might not work. And also your charger or the wall adapter could be broken. So if you have a wireless charging device, try charging your phone with that. And if it works on the wireless charging device, then you know there's a problem with either your charging cord, your wall adapter, or even the charging port right here on your phone could have an issue. In which case you have to replace any or all or some of those things to get your phone to be functional again. And the last step, if nothing works, you got to take it to an Apple store or an Apple expert who knows what they're doing so they can investigate as well. Hopefully one of these things works before you have to go to an Apple store, but at least there's that option as a final failsafe. And if you did get back into your phone, the next thing you should do is free up some space. This video shows you how to free up space without deleting any of the most important things on your phone. So make sure you check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.